Hey everyone, and welcome to a new vlog. You won't believe where I am right now. Oh my gosh. This is incredible. So in today's vlog, Dan and I are in Arizona and we're going to be exploring Saguaro National Park. This has been like such a bucket list place for me to go to for such a long time. I can't believe I'm finally here. It's like a dream looking around and seeing so much cactus. It's amazing. So yeah, we're going to be doing some landscape photography, portrait photography, and today the entire video is filmed on the new Lumix S1RII, and I'm also taking photos on the Lumix S1RII because Dan and I have two of them. So you'll be able to use this video to see a bit more extra footage of how this camera looks like for photo and video. It is currently pre-sunrise. We've got about 10 minutes to go before it pops out behind those peaks. And we are walking to find a little photo spot to shoot with. We're gonna do a little bit of portrait photography. We've got like a whole outfit on, and we're gonna do some landscape photography as well. Do you have the tripod?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. Hi, Dan.
Good morning.
This place is so cool. Okay, where are we gonna shoot? Oh, look at these holes. I don't know.
Ground squirrels?
What is in that? Which ones are they?
Ground squirrels or scorpions? Take your pick.
I don't think scorpions would make a big hole like that. But maybe, I don't know. Maybe with the 85.
Ooh. Yeah, well, I'm at 55 and that looks sick.
You're gonna have to help me stand like around the right area. Ah, it's so cold. Let me go a bit further now. I see a shot of you. Can you go back where you were there? Oh my God, I am frozen, but I think that was worth it. It's like this one where I'm really far away. I love that. It's so much cactus. Oh my God, the sun! The sun! Okay, stay calm. Wow. Okay, the sun is popping. This is so beautiful. I'm obsessed. We have like a couple more seconds. I'm just watching the shadow of the mountain like crawling towards us. This is a really nice shot here as well. Found another composition. This one should work even if the sun starts coming up. So right now it's kind of like blue hour. When the sun pops up a little bit, I should get a little pop of light, but it should still be kind of backlit and still quite contrasty because it's not fully, like the sun's not totally behind me. So we're gonna try that out. Here you go. Whoa, Dan! Oh my God, the light here is incredible. So far this morning, we've been shooting on just 85mm. Now I'm switching over to 35mm. It is so cold that when I'm switching lenses, my fingers are frozen. So it's like happening in slow motion. So annoying when that happens. Okay, we're gonna get some shots here. Again, backlight. The sun gets strong so quickly. You have such a small window of opportunity to get your shots. The reason I picked this spot is because of that beautiful triangular mountain, but I think we've gotten plenty of photos of that. So we're gonna drive around and see what else we can find. I'm also walking around holding my skirt just so I don't get like caught in anything.
Hello.
Hi.
What are you doing?
I brought some pants as well, so I'm more comfortable for the rest of the day. We're just waiting about 20 minutes for the desert museum to open up because they've got a hummingbird enclosure and I think like a kind of like a garden with all different cactus. So I'm really excited to check that out. So right now we are at the Arizona Sonora Desert Museum. I think we're gonna spend some time here. Also, that's the good thing about waking up at sunrise is that we're here right when the park opens. So there's like not really anyone else here. Look. Okay, we might be here a while. Dan obviously has to be checking out the car. We're going straight to the hummingbirds. So cute, I love this. It smells like chai tea right here in this garden. Is it this? Oh, I think it's this. No, I think it's that. Oh my God, I'm so excited. I see one already. We don't have hummingbirds in Australia. In my defense, I've never seen a hummingbird in real life and I didn't realize they're this small. I've got an 85mm. I don't know how this is gonna work. Also, they are so fast. I have been able to get some shots of the hummingbirds. They're so beautiful, but only when they're sitting down doing nothing. As soon as they start flying, I'm just not fast enough. It's a me problem though. Like you can barely see them with your eyes. They get like the zoomies. They just fly and disappear. I'm like, Trust that I think some of the best hummingbird shots I got were just outside of the enclosure. There was like a random hummingbird eating the flowers here. So aside from the two full frame Lumix cameras, I also, of course, have my 35mm point and shoot. I love shooting with this when I'm traveling. So I just finished a roll of Portra 160. I had this because we were at White Sands National Park and I think the more neutral colors would look good on this. But for Saguaro, I've got Ecta 100. So even though the colors are not super vibrant here, but I think with Ecta, it should look really nice on film. We'll see. Is it bad that we stopped at In-N-Out again? Look at this, extra large. This one's medium.
Jules told me that they only have medium, so I always order medium.
This is our order. We got 2 double burgers. I got normal fries and Dan got animal style fries. I saw a shirt, it was cactus yoga.
And that's it.
And it was like, like all the different shapes of the cactus. So cute. We took a little break after we got caffeinated, feeling better. Now we're back out. We went to the
Visitor center?
Visitor center. Okay, obviously not caffeinated enough. Now we're here at Valley View Lookout. We're gonna do this short little walk and try and scout out a place for sunset. We are getting like some clouds. I'm not sure how strong golden hour will be, but I'm really hoping we get like colorful clouds in the sky. Fingers crossed. By the way, today we're exploring the east side of Saguaro National Park, and tomorrow we're going to be doing the west side. This side apparently has more saguaros, but they're smaller because they're younger. The other side apparently has less, but they are much bigger and older. So it'll be interesting to see the difference. So usually I enjoy traveling with my 35mm lens, but today I've been really loving my 85mm lens. I just feel like compressing this landscape makes it look so dreamy and mystical. You can't take us anywhere. It takes us 2 hours to do a 10-minute walk because we just stop every 2 seconds. The car is still just there. The moon looks so cool. By the way, it is upside down for us as well. But I'm always on the lookout for anything in the foreground that I can frame the moon with. I've taken a couple of shots already. Found a spot to shoot with. It's actually harder than it looks to find somewhere that has like a nice dense amount of saguaro that you can also do portraits and landscapes with. We like stopped off on so many spots that look cool with your eyes, and then as soon as you try and find a composition, all the saguaros just kind of like disappear. Really weird. But we've got a good spot here. We're going to be shooting directly into the sunlight for some backlit shots when the sun's a bit lower towards the horizon. For now, it's quite glary because we've got a very thin sheet of cloud in the sky. So we're going to shoot a little bit side lit instead because I want to retain a bit of contrast in our photos. Also, my voice is still like pretty raspy. I like lost it when we were in Texas doing Imaging USA with Apathy. If you haven't watched that vlog yet, I'll leave a link down below. That is part 1. And then we drove all the way to White Sands. I lost my voice at the event. Because we've been in the desert non-stop, it just hasn't really come back properly. I love the iridescent cloud, is so cool. We're back on 35mm just for some portraits, and we're gonna try and frame each other with these 2 cactus. And we're going pretty hardcore backlighting as well.
The lighting just drastically changed.
I saw it got like darker. Whee! Okay, meet some of you. Let me see what you got. There's some good ones, Dan. Thank you. Oh, you've been ready. Oh, I don't know how you like shooting with like the 2-shot. Oh, this is so pretty though. Come to me. Yeah. Can we do something about your watch? The watch is so like modern. Let's come out here. Oh, you got a cactus sticking out of your head. Yeah, but now it's just a bit dark now though. Oh, do you want to do some video? When the light's bad, Dan gets it done. Yeah, sometimes when it's bad for photo, it looks good for video and vice versa.
For instance, right now it's better for video.
That is a wrap on day 1 in Saguaro National Park. And now we're gonna get tacos. I'm so excited. I might vlog on my phone because I just want to put the camera equipment away. And then tomorrow we're gonna check out the west side.
All right, so what just happened?
Wow, so much happened. We had shakes, vanilla thick shakes, and in and out. So it is the next day and we're now exploring the west side of Saguaro National Park. I'm so sorry, I think I was saying it incorrectly. The G is meant to be silent, Saguaro. I was saying Saguaro. Anyway. But yeah, this morning we woke up at sunrise and we went to Gates Pass on the east side for a little sunrise shoot. And actually we filmed a whole video, which I've either already uploaded or I will upload right after this episode. And it's comparing the 85mm versus 70-200 because I usually use both those telephotos when I'm traveling. So I thought it would be interesting to just do like a comparison video to show you the pros and cons of each lens. Speaking of telephoto, I'm now using a 35 because we've stopped here on the side of the road and we've got like one of each cactus right now. It looks so cool. We took some film photos. Now we're gonna take some digital photos. And the sun is a bit diffused because it's quite cloudy again. So I'm not sure if we're gonna get sunset. Oh yeah, and then we went to a taco truck and they were so good. And the guy gave us 2 free bean tacos and they were really good. So that was nice of him. I ordered in Spanish and I think he could tell I was struggling a little bit. And then he gave us some free ones. And then we went to the zoo. We went to Reed Park Zoo and it was really nice. We saw some really cool animals like the anteater and the pink flamingos were just a highlight for me. And yeah, now we're back at the park on the west side and we're doing the loop drive. Am I holding it? This is just my dream. A dream come true. I am obsessed with cactus. This is just the best day ever. The best 2 days ever. I don't know why I love them so much. I just do. I love the lighting too. Like harsh light is pretty fun sometimes. Although this is diffused, but I like what it looks like. It just creates such vibrant looking, punchy photos. So far, east is neat, but west is best. That's so lame. Yeah, I think the west side is so far my favorite and we've only just started. Like every 2 seconds we're like, whoa, but we just found this one. Okay, this is the biggest saguaro I think I've seen so far. This is huge and it's got so many arms. Wow, look how tall it is. Oh my gosh. I feel so short. Oh, our car looks so cute there. It's like surrounded by the cactus. We just pulled over on the side of the road at one of the little pull-out bays and I want to go for a walk because I saw a scene that I think will make a good photo. So it's with harsh light because I love this diffused light. It makes the scenery look nice and vibrant. We had 2 perfect saguaros. They look like this. We had the mountains in the background, prickly pears down the bottom. I can't speak. So yeah, we're gonna go look for that. This is just surreal.
No, it's Saguaro.
Good one. All right, found them. Look at these 2. They're just like, they just look so cool like that. And they're just isolated too. Oh yeah, love it. Gotta take some film shots too. We've been taking film photos while we're shooting, but I don't think we film while I'm taking the photos. So it's gonna be hard to show them to you. I'm gonna have to do like a random slideshow or something at the end. I don't know. Like 50 photos of that. It's very picturesque. And it has 1, 2, 3 birds' nests in it. I saw a bird going into one of those nests this morning while we were doing our sunrise shoot, but I didn't have my teleconverter, so I didn't get a shot. Oh, that's cool with like these 2 cactus in the foreground, but we don't get the mountain range in the background. And the lighting is not as good. Let's go. Yeah, I was just thinking like I'm so obsessed with saguaro that I'm forgetting to shoot any other type of cactus that I see. But these like prickly pears, I think they're called, look great as well. The clouds at sunset are really, really thick right now, but there is like a slither of sky right between the mountains and the clouds. So we might get so lucky and get one of those incredible sunsets. At first I was like, oh, we've got like 2 hours till sunset. What are we gonna do, take a nap? But you know what? Actually, we're really good at wasting time because now we've got half an hour. I don't know where all that time went. I think I'm a bit freaked out because like we're seeing animals here. Wait, righty-tighty. Yeah, because like we saw a chipmunk. Yeah, amazing. I didn't get one.
There's never any proof of these animals, is there?
Gotta take my word for it. Does this 35 look like a wildlife lens? Yeah, I don't know. The question is, will there be sunset colors or is this it? Not that this isn't nice, but there's a person sitting right up there at the very top of the rock. Oh, they're leaving. There's some nice ones just here. Oh, you look good there. The colors in the sky happen like 5-10 minutes after the sunset time though. There's potential, but they are really thick. Imagine it all goes like bing, red. I knew this was gonna happen, I knew it. The sky we literally turned around and the sky was red. Finished, for real. I had a feeling that would happen. That's literally what happened to us yesterday and we didn't learn. Fool me twice. I'll probably do it again tomorrow. It felt so good to have a little sleep in today. Oh my gosh, so good. It was cloudy. As you can see, it's still cloudy right now. So Dan and I are spending our last day in Saguaro National Park, just doing some hikes and walks and stuff on the east side of the park. But as always, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. Let me know which ones are your favorite photos down in the comments and what you think of the S1RII. But we have one more vlog actually coming from our next destination. So I'll see you all in the next one. Bye. Do this. You wanna say bye?
Bye.
Nice.